Hi y'all, we're halfway through the course and we have just now started working on the major project for the course, the research paper. I have opened up week 6 for you, but I want to give you a sense of what's coming up because we're going to spend a whole month working on this paper. You already in week 5 came up with a topic and started looking around for source material. In week 6, you're going to find hopefully all your sources and write an annotated bibliography for me. But let's see what's coming up later. I'm going back to our introductory material here, right past the syllabus, due dates for the entire course. Now, I hope that you've already looked at this to get your calendar set for the rest of the term, but if not, let's look at it now. Schedule of courses. Now we can go through all the way to week 6. This is where we are now. We still have a forum on the circle, Wednesday and Friday, and Sunday an annotated bibliography, works cited draft due. It doesn't have to be your finalized one, but I want to make sure we get the format down now before you start writing your paper in general. Now notice the rest of the weeks, only one assignment each week, but a pretty major one. No forum assignments. No Wednesday, Friday, just everything's due on Sunday. After this week, week 6, it's still Wednesday and Friday and Sunday. And then a rough draft is due Sunday of week 7. Then a research paper is due Sunday of week 8. Please, 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 this cannot be late. We're getting toward the end of the term, and I have deadlines for grades too. Then week 9, we get into the third part of this course. It's called Argument, Research, and Multimodal Composition. This is the multimodal composition part, where we live in an age where words are not enough. We need emojis, we need exclamation marks, we need pictures, we need avatars. And I'm asking you to do an infographic, which is basically putting your research paper into a graphic form. I'm asking for basically a poster. I have full details, full information on this. Hope you have fun with that. Then on week 10, which is the end of the course, I want you to talk about your own social media use. I've been asking kind of about this all term long, but I'm going to ask for it in a more formal way. And finals week, we do not have a final. You're welcome. We have a self-evaluation that's due instead. Okay, all for now.